Hey everyone, and welcome to Capital Jeep. My name is Natasha, and today I'm going to walk you through this 2016 Jeep Patriot North in Billet. So your headlights, running lights, and fog lights. Under the hood is a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. Turnaround to size, currently sitting on 16-inch rims. You have your heated exterior mirrors. And opening up the door, we have some storage in the door, your exterior mirrors, windows, and locks. We have black cloth seating throughout with a manually adjusted seat. Taking a look at the back, some storage in the door, window. You have some 2 cup holders, and then you have a rear 60-40 split bench, so it does fold down to give you some space for the extra cargo if you have any. Opening up the back. So there's tons of room back here, and like I said, with the seats able to fold down, even more spacious. And then the section lifts up to your spare. Coming around to the other side, storage in your door, your window. That same seating. And the passenger side. Some storage, your windows and locks, your manually adjusted seat, and the glove compartment with your manual. I'm going to grab the key to show you the rest inside. Okay, so here is our key. We have our unlock, lock, and panic button. I'm just going to start it up. So on our steering wheel, we have our cruise control options, as well as our step and reset. Our step allows us to scroll through our dash. So we have our trip A, trip B, and outside temperature. And then there's currently 29,654 kilometers on this vehicle, so lots of life left. And we want to make sure that you're fully covered. Do speak to your financial advisor about purchasing any extended warranties. Then we have our center display, so we have AM, FM, satellite, our CD player, voice recognition and phone, our AUX. We'll turn it on here.
489.
And then we have our climate controls. So we have heat or AC, and then we have traction control off and our hazards, a 12-volt DC. We have our shifter, and then we have 2 cup holders. And then this section does lift up for some storage or slides back and forth. Alright, so that's my video on this 2016 Jeep Patriot North. If you want to come check it out for yourself, we're at 1311 101st Street, Southwest Edmonton. Hope to see you soon at Capital Jeep.